breaker right here. Hmm. I just want to have a good time. Hello, everybody. If you can hear me, please type yes on the chat. I appreciate it. All of this, man. Although, 1, 2, 3. Interesting. Here's where I am going to take that trade. Beautiful imbalance. All right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. All right. Cootie, chootie, booty. All right, let's place this on a challenge account. Wah, 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 wah. 0.5% risk. Aix-en-Provence. Alright, I do want to get trigger on this. And I am targeting this very lows right here. 4 and nice 3.3R. Yes, sir. So, I have a little bit of an OCD with round numbers. Hi there, many please ask what the aim of this video is. I've never watched a live stream of yours before. Well, Tristan, just, I'm showing you what I do, my thought process on my trades, you know, etc., etc., etc. Nothing more. Hey, Happy New Year. Do you have I'm sorry, let me get some coffee. Do you have an auto trader? No, I don't have an auto trader that will allow a VIP to be executed automatically once you post them. No, I don't. But I'm pretty sure there are some, there are some auto traders on for Telegram around. I don't know. I don't have one myself, mate. I'm sorry. Uh-huh. 3.3 R. So here's that entry. First of all, let me send this to the VIPs. I'm going to send it as a free signal too. And I'm going to record a video. So listen up about this. US 100. US 100. I'm sorry. So it's a sell limit. We are on a sell limit. This is a challenge account. I have to hit 10% gains to get a real 100K account, which I am going to most certainly do, mates. I'm just showing you that it can be done with a little bit of an investment, a $500 investment or so. You can access a large amount to trade off. Risk at 0.50%. And of course, this trades execute on my other account. Happy New Year's, the fourth wall. Yes, Happy New Year's to you too. Man, I started the year with my left foot. God damn it, yesterday really was not the best trading day for me, but that's okay. So I'm going to send this as a free trade. Oh, there you go. All right, so let me just record the video for everybody. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go big and in the middle. Hello, everybody. Happy New Year. I'm Orlando, the head trader here at Learn to Trade. Well, this year we have a ton of new things coming, so don't miss anything out. Let's start by doing this free trade on the NASDAQ, and let me show you what we have, or my thought process on this trade, right? Now, if we go here on the NASDAQ, this is the 3-minute chart. If you don't know, I take my trades on the 3 and the 5 minute. If we go to the 15 minute, let's start by going to the 15 minute. This market is still very much bearish. The structure in this market is bearish. I am looking for shorts and shorts only, right? This is my bias for the day. Now, the most important thing to talk about here is imbalances, right? Sell side imbalance, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, gap, whatever you want to call it. This is a 50-minute imbalance here, and we do have a big ass 50-minute imbalance above. But I do want to get triggered, so I'm going to use the first one right here. Let me show you the second 50-minute imbalance, which might get hit too, which means that if the second 50-minute imbalance gets hit, we're most definitely going to see our trade running a little bit of a drawdown, but that's fine because our stop losses are below the structure high. This is the strong high, the protected high of the structure right here. So here is where my stop losses are going to be. The reason that I'm using the first one is because I do want to get trigger short this on this trade. All right, so there you go, structure high. Now, we go to the 3-minute chart, which is the one that I use for my entries. Let's just delete this. And here is where I am trying to catch that ride. We do have a very nice inefficiency here, sell side inefficiency, buy side inefficiency, I'm sorry. When I talk about inefficiencies and imbalances, the same thing. This gap right here is a buy side imbalance, meaning that there were, I'm sorry, a sell side imbalance, but I haven't had my coffee just yet. A sell side imbalance in the sense that there were just sellers and not buyers. Buy side inefficiency because there were no buyers, or gap, whatever you're going to call it, it's the same. We do have also this amazing liquidity, right? This is the weak players in the market trying to catch that ride that create that liquidity within the imbalance, which I'm expecting price to liquidate right before we get triggered. So that's my short position right here, just below that imbalance. My stop losses are clearly above that structure high, and I am targeting the next, buy side liquidity, right? Sell side liquidity, I'm sorry, right here for a 3.3 R trade, and I'm going to tag that green because I have already placed that order. Happy New Year's, man. Can you look at Aussie and gold? Yeah, sure. Happy New Year. Just a second. All right, so that is NASDAQ. Thought process. A la puta. NASDAQ. Thought process. Send. Send. All right. So I have the NASDAQ, gold. Gold looking for, I don't know. I mean, let's go to a 5-minute chart. So what has happened here in gold? Pretty simple. All right. Very simple what has happened here. We do have a very, all right, so shorts are in play here in gold. We do have that manipulation here. So I'm going to explain to you how I look at the market. Should I have taken the trade already? No, that is a good question. That is a good question. I mean, Tristan, if you are new, let me explain to you how this works, right? Now, if you notice, price is trading right now at this level, all right? Price is trading at this level at the moment, right here. And my entry is above current price, right? It's above current price. My entry is here. So I'm going to use what is called a limit order, right? I need price to go all the way up here for my order to get triggered before I get in, right? That's as simple as it gets. And I was going to talk about gold. Yeah, sure. So gold shorts in play, pretty nice. We got that manipulation zone. Here's that entire manipulation zone. And we could, in fact, look for shorts. My could have been entry was already triggered, but I'm going to go through my thought process on this one. Here's that manipulative move above the Asian session highs. This is where is it here? This is clearly this is a very clear manipulation move. Then we got the change in the market structure, or shift, or change of character right here. Let's call it the market structure shift, right? And then we actually, I'm going to take that. Yeah, here's that order block that I'm going to look for an entry to, and here is that liquidity. We could, in fact, hunt those gold shorts. Yeah, I'm gonna hunt them. And here are the sell stops or the stop orders. Let's have a look at that risk to reward ratio. It's actually looking very good. So, short position in gold, mates, would be here with my stop losses above the structure high. And yeah, this doesn't look bad. This doesn't look bad at all, mate. Bad at all for a 3.3R. Let's rock it, right? Gold, new VIP trade. I'm going to hunt those gold shorts here at this breaker. 0.5. Although this is much better if I put on the risk here in cash. So I'm gonna do $500. I don't know. I'm gonna have to do it manually then. This is a sell limit. There you go. There you go. This is going to be a very quick trade for his, let's see. Where is it here? All right, so 3R or so. Yeah, it's a 3R, 2.9R. A little bit higher here. A 3R. And boom. But now it's only risking $50. So I'm gonna do is I am going to play it for a 1.15 lot. Now I'm risking 480. All right, so here we go. This is my gold trade. 70, 10. That's a 3R new VIP trade. Sell limit. Let's see if we can get filled here. Stop loss. NTP. It's a 3.3R. And there you go. You're more than welcome, Tristan. I just want to have a good time. All right, recording the short video for my VIPs. All right, guys, so pretty simple. Looking for short here on gold. This is the 5-minute chart. Let's have a look at what has happened today. We got that manipulation above the Asian session highs. Then the market structure shifted. Missed the first entry here, which is fine. Trying to get a second on the breaker. Right here above this liquidity zone. Remember, this is the trap. Very important trap play that we are looking at here. If you remember, the first thing that you're taught to when you come to trading is that when price breaks with the certain low, you should wait for price to retest those lows. That is fucked up. That is not true. That is what creates liquidity. You are being the fish in the water, and you're most likely going to get liquidated before the actual move. So that's what we're playing here. All right. All right, so we got gold, we got the pound US dollar that sadly we didn't get filled on, and we got the NASDAQ. Although I'm still waiting for that. I haven't deleted anything. I might just move my. Actually, I am going to do so. Let's do a cha-cha. I'm going to move my target um, on my shorts on the pound US dollar here at 126.20. 126.20 is my new um, target on the pound US dollar. 126.20. So I have three possible trades now. Now that creates a 5-hour trade here um, on the pound US dollar. Uh-huh. To 126.20. All right. So, any questions, guys? Any questions? I got the gold and I got the Nasdaq. Right. Oh, there's not too much going on right now. Oh, sorry. Um, I'm definitely looking for the USD to break. Well, I'm gonna show you here. I'm looking for the USD to break higher after this manipulative move to the downside, maybe. Um, we do have a big ass imbalance here. Very possibly the US dollar is going to pull back towards this inefficiency right here. Very possibly, we are going to see a pullback towards this inefficiency right here for a move higher. Now, that that is going to create the bullish pullback that I need on my pound US dollar to get trigger short, mates. It's all about looking at the same. I mean, I'm trading the US dollar today. I only trade the US dollar and the Japanese yen. My pound US dollar is a US dollar driven trade, right? So, what we need right here is a, oh boy. What we need right here is a that bearish pullback towards that inefficiency on the US dollar that you see on the bottom left on my screen for the pound US dollar to show me that bullish pullback. Remember, when the US dollar drops, the pound US dollar rallies, etc. Right? So it's going to give me that pullback that I need for those shorts. So that is my plan for today, mates. So any questions? If you don't have any questions, I'm going to shut the screen. If you do not have any questions, if you don't have any questions, I'm going to give you a few minutes just to ask me anything. And then I'm going to go. I have a ton of things to do today, so I'll be on my way. I just want to have a good time, man. Do you prefer to trade in things like gold and the US 100 because of the greater potential profit? Nah, that's a good question. So no. The potential profit. You're talking about big moves in the market, right? That's why most people think it happens, right? Most people think that by trading the pound yen or gold on the US 30, they're going to yield more profit because they move. They move faster and the moves are bigger. That's not true. It all depends on the risk to reward ratio that your setup yields. For example, I'm trading the pound US dollar here. And this is a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio, meaning that I'm risking 1 unit for a possible gain of 5 units. So that's a big move, but that's a big possible profit, right? And now on the US 100, my risk to reward ratio is only 3.58, which means for one unit of risk, I have possible 3.5 units of potential profits. So no, it's I trade gold, the US 100, and the US dollar, and the Japanese yen because those are the markets that I'm most profitable in, and those are the markets that I understand. All right, so here we go. We're getting that pullback, see? A possible pullback. We're getting that pullback right here, which is making the pound US dollar rally towards my entry right here. Uh-huh. All right, no more questions? I am going to log out. I'm just going to show you what we have here. Gold creating that pullback too, the pound US dollar creating that pullback too, and the NASDAQ very possibly will pull back towards my entry too, just on a failure to break with the lows. So just waiting for those pullbacks. That's how I trade. I just wait I wait for the market to come to meet my entries. I don't chase any moves. All right. So thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.